Powerful websites you should know.
Hello, today we're going to learn how to convert a blog post or paragraph into HTML with just one click without any coding knowledge. This is a very easy method. Let's get started.
First, prepare your blog post or paragraph as a Word file. Save it securely on your computer or mobile phone. Now we need to find an online tool. Open your browser and type SCCPAP in the search bar. Among the results, go to the website called scp_apps. Once there, click the Get Started button. This will take you to the Tools section. There, search for Word to HTML and click on that tool. Next, click the Choose File button and select the Word file you saved earlier. Then click the Upload Analyze button. This is when the magic happens. In just a few seconds, your Word file will be converted into HTML code. For the final step, you have two options. You can either directly copy the HTML code or download it as an HTML file. This method can save you a lot of time. You no longer need to write code manually. Let's meet again another day with something new. Have a good day.